Hello, how to solve for s from this given equation x minus 4 to the power of 4 is equal to x to the power of 4. Solution. We have x minus 4 to the power of 4 is equal to s to the power of 4. Let's take this s to the power of 4 to this side. We have x minus 4 to the power of 4 minus s to the power of 4 is equal to 0. And then this can be written as s minus 4 square or square minus this can be written as a square is equal to 0. Now from here, this is the form of perfect square. If you have a square minus b square, this is equal to a plus b bracket a minus b, where a is equal to s minus 4 square and b is equal to a square. Let's substitute. This is s minus 4 square plus s square bracket s minus 4 square minus s square is equal to 0. Then s minus 4 all square can be written as s square minus 8s plus 16 plus s square bracket, this is s square minus 8s plus 16 minus s square is equal to 0. Then from here, s square plus s square, this is 2s square minus 8s plus 16 bracket s square minus s square. This will cancel this. We have minus 8s plus 16 is equal to 0. There are two cases here. The first case is 2s square minus 8x plus 16 is equal to 0, and the second case is minus 8s plus 16 is equal to 0. Then from here we have minus 8s is equal to minus 16. Let's divide both sides by minus 8 divided by minus 8. This will cancel this. Minus 8 here 1, minus 8 here 2. S is equal to 2. Now also from here, this is a quadratic equation. We can reduce this by 2. If you divide all through by 2, we have s square minus 4s plus 8 is equal to 0. Then a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4, c is equal to 8. And quadratic equation is given as s is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Then s is equal to minus bracket minus 4 plus or minus square root of minus 4 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by c is 8 over 2 multiplied by 1. S is equal to 4 plus or minus square root of minus 4 square, that is 16, minus 4 times 1 times 8, that is 32 over 2. S is equal to 4 plus or minus square root of 16 minus 32, that is minus 16 over 2. Then this is equal to 4 plus or minus 4i over 2. Then 2 here 1, 2 here 2, 2 here 2. S is equal to 2 plus or minus 2i I. Therefore, S is equal to 2 plus 2I, or S is equal to 2 minus 2I. These are complex solutions. So, and our final answers are S is equal to 2, let's call this S1, then S2 is equal to 2 plus 2I, and S3 is equal to 2 minus 2I. This is the final answer. We can check to confirm if our answer is right or wrong. In order to check, we're going to make use of this real solution, which is S is equal to 2. To check, we have the given equation, S minus 4 to the power of 4 is equal to S raised to power 4. Then when S is equal to 2, S raised to power 4 is equal to 2 to the power of 4, which is equal to 16. This is the right hand side. Then for the left hand side, S minus 4 to the power of 4, then this is equal to 2 minus 4 to the power of 4. This is equal to minus 2 to the power of 4, and this is equal to what? 16. This is left hand side. Therefore, the left hand side, 16, is equal to the right hand side, 16, which is true for S is equal to 2. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.